Activating your Spectrum modem via the My Spectrum app is a straightforward process designed to get you online quickly. First, download and install the My Spectrum app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, log in using your Spectrum account credentials. This could be your account number, username, or phone number. With the app open, locate the Equipment or Activate Modem section and select the Setup Equipment option. This initiates a scan for your modem, often using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to detect the device automatically. Ensure your modem is connected to the Spectrum cable outlet, powered on and ready for activation. The app will then guide you through the final steps, which may include confirming your account details and initiating the activation sequence. In some cases, a QR code scan might be required for faster device pairing. After the modem is detected, the My Spectrum app sends a confirmation code to your registered email or mobile number. Enter this code into the app to complete the activation. Once activated, run a built-in speed test to verify your internet connection is working correctly. Successful activation grants full service access. If you encounter issues such as the app crashing, especially during peak hours, utilize the 24/7 support chat available within the app for assistance. For third-party modems, manual configuration might be needed, and the app provides guidance for this. Common troubleshooting steps include ensuring the modem is properly connected to the cable outlet and power, checking for service outages in your area via the app, and restarting both the modem and your mobile device. The My Spectrum app also offers diagnostic tools to help identify and resolve potential connectivity problems.